Hey everybody, this video is to help you with your transfer of your TCAs that you're pulling from Linkit and those raw score data pulls, and then using the grade scale converter to convert it to the percentage that you would put into Genesis. Hopefully this expedites it. This is an option. You can still go one by one and put them into Genesis, but hopefully this helps you and makes it a little bit faster. I'm in a teacher's classroom in a school, and you'll see that this is the A push TCA 2, and there were 42 results that were given. And so I'm going to show you two different ways that you can do it. The first is pulling all my classes at once. The second is going to be pulling each class as that section roster and their scores. The first way, I'm going to go and click on student results, and that's going to bring me in. Now remember, I said that this teacher had 42 students, and if I go down or I look down here at the bottom, you'll see that there's 101 rows. That means 101 students. I don't have 101 students in this class. What happens is the data follows the student, and so if I taught this student in a previous year, let's say in this case it would be advanced U.S. history I had them for, and so now they're in my A push, or they're in A push through another teacher, they could possibly show up here. Another scenario would be if I teach them in an elective course and they're taking A push through another teacher, they could also show up in their student results here. Now the way to get rid of their data and only to have the students in my particular sections is I'm going to come over here to the right. I'm going to pull out the filters, and I'm going to click on teacher and by class. Now, because I have the data anonymized, you'll see that all the teacher names are the same, but we looked before and there were 42 results. So you would see multiple different names here. What I'm going to do to fix it is I would click into the filter, I would click on my name, and then I would click out of here and get rid of the teacher filter. When I click on my name, that select deselect will disappear, or it won't be checked, and I will just have my data here. I'm going to keep that class checked because I'm going to use that filter a little bit later on. Now, the next part is I want to go and to download the CSV file. And I'm going to download it to my desktop. And it comes right down here in the bottom left. I'm going to just double click it, and it opens up as an Excel file and has all my scores here. So what I'm going to do is go and grab that data all the way to the end. And now I'm going to hit Control C, which is going to copy. I could also right click and copy it. And then I'm going to minimize my data. Now I've taken those three columns, my student, my class, and my raw. The next thing I'm going to want to do is I'm going to go to the Teacher Coach Hub, and you'll see right in the center here, there's the Linkit TCA Grading Scale Converter. I'm going to go and make a copy of this. And it takes a second, but it makes a copy of this scale, or these scales. And I'm going to rename it. I'm going to say Kretzmer. And I've got my grading scale converter. Now this is all mine. I would want to organize it within my Google Drive. The first part that I want to do is I want to make sure that the total points possible is the same as the raw score possible. In this case, I believe for the A push exam, it was 25. But if I click on the drop-down menu, you'll see that there are a lot of different grading scales available. Choose the one that applies towards your TCA. In this case, it's 25. So then I'm going to go and click on the top left in that yellow where it says student, and I'm going to hit Control V. Control V just paste, so I could go and right click and put paste, same thing. And so you'll notice that all of the names, I think there were 101 names, they all dropped in here. And so it has the conversion of what their score would be in Genesis. And then I can go and grab these and put them into Genesis, and my job is done. Nice and easy. So couple more steps. I do want to show you that when you change the grading scale, let's say I changed it to 26, that those percentages go and they change accordingly. So please, again, make sure that your scale is the correct scale. I'm going to go back to 25. And the last portion of this is, I said before I was going to filter this by class. And so I'm going to want to take that data. I have only my classes now, and I'm going to go and click on the class filter, and I'm going to hit sort A to Z. Now you'll see that it sorts alphabetically by class, and then I have another class here based upon that number, and that starts alphabetically. And then I have down here, I have my third class. So there are my classes. Again, it's going to only show my data, but I have them in order that I can go and grab their data and then put it into Genesis. And it also gives the letter grade if you wanted to know the letter grade. That's the same thing, but we don't need that for Genesis. Now, I said I was going to show you another way. So this is doing it by all of my classes at once. So I'm going to go back and just hitting Control Z to go back. And I'm going to come back to the Linkit reporting. And here is my original poll. Now, in this case, if I want to do it by class, I'm going to go to my classes. You'll see I have a class here, and I'm just going to go to that class. And again, it's my A-Push exam. And then I can go to my students. Now these are, you'll see that there are 19 students in this class. I'm again going to pull out the filter, and the reason is because I'm going to paste these in. So I'm going to just choose class, and you'll notice that they're all the same class. And I'm going to go to the CSV, export to CSV, download that, double click on in. I'm going to grab that data, minimize, and then I'm going to go to my converter and paste on in. Again, remembering to go and to set that raw score to the total possible points of the TCA. I hope this video helps, and if there's any questions, be sure to reach out to one of your teacher coaches who can help you through this process.